I don't think I can see it. See it. See no spark. Off the thing there. So you guys tell me I got a fuel system issue. Now I've got ignition. Doesn't matter. I got ignition. So great with no fuel. Is it override? So we have a fuel problem. Telling me my injectors aren't opening. So it's telling me my fuel pump, I got a fuel pump running. Which means I got fuel to the rail. But my fuel injectors are not opening. So I have to figure out what. Well, I may be going down to good old pick and pull and pull me a I think I even did that. I even did that when I was troubleshooting, is pulling ECM. And the question is, I don't have a tack either. See if this starts now. All right. that, you heard that fuel kick just a second ago. Not like she wanted to fire. Maybe she didn't. I know I've got fuel. I know I got the cam. The cam sensor controls the fuel rail, I believe. And that's this little puppy right here. Yep. Sending the information to, I believe, the ECM. This little fuel. Pull it up real quick. I can hear fuel pump, so not the issue. Oh man. I'm starting to get into stuff here that, man, it's something that appears to heat up and then won't let me start it again for a while till it cools down. Whatever. I don't know, boys and girls. Well, I'm going to end this for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Project Chevy. Here's a quick test I just tried. I have ether here because of course it's winter time, so I got lots of ether. Now if this starts or cranks, that's going to tell me my fuel injectors are not functioning. Well, there you go. They crank, which means I have ignition, but I've got no fuel going to